I feel like I'm the rat from Ratatouille right now. You need to know how to budget. So we're gonna use cheese to explain. Before we get into it, let's go over some mistakes people make. Number one, make sure you're using your after-tax income. Just because you make 50K or whatever in a year does not mean that's actually your take-home pay. Taxes account for some of that. Make sure to also put aside money for emergencies. Most experts say put away at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses into savings, so you have something to fall back on. Wow, this blue cheese is so pungent. We made a mistake. Another thing to keep in mind, remember your fluctuating costs. For example, your electric bill would probably not be the same in March as it would in July. My friend had a full-on argument with me that Ratatouille is a mouse. It is Ratatouille, he's a rat. One of the most common budgeting plans is the 50-30-20 plan. 50% of your take-home pay goes towards your necessities. In this case, it would be your cheese, because like what's a cheese board without cheese? That makes no sense at all. So things like food, rent, anything you need to survive. Then your 30% is your wants. This goes towards things like if you want to go to a concert, buy new clothes. And then 20% goes towards your savings or your salami. This is stuff that you put away just in case of emergency. Another common plan is what's called your 70-20-10 plan. 70% of your take-home pay goes towards both your needs and your wants. 20% goes towards your savings and 10% goes towards your goals. This could be things like paying off debt or saving up for a vacation. Can I eat the cheese now?